Alright, so we have events, gigs. Now let's do the comedians. And the first one will be a task that returns comedian collection. And we will simply return all the comedians. So we will call it get comedians. And we don't need any parameters. This will be just a collection of all the comedians that are available in our database. The next one will be a task for the type comedian. And it's going to be again returning a collection. And this one will be returning collection of comedians that perform in each single event. So I'll call it get comedians by event. So since we have the event, we need the event ID. So I'll pass the integer event ID. And finally, we have a task of type comedian. And this is going to return a single comedian by ID. So the user will pass in the comedian ID and we will return all the information about this comedian. So I'll call it get comedian. And we will pass in the integer for the comedian ID. So these are the 9 get methods that we need. And along with the add, delete, and update, we will create a complete API with these. So next, let's create a repository and start implementing these methods.